So, spring season is airing right now, and what a season it is turning out to be. If you thought winter was stacked, then check out spring. Yes, it does not have that many big names, but it does have some really good new shows and anime originals, like To Your Eternity, Odd Taxi, Higeo Soru. Heck, we even got a show on Kabaddi. So much is happening every week right now, and since I can't make a video for everything, I have decided to start this new series called Anime This Week. Here I will share my thoughts on the latest anime episodes, manga chapters, and some weekly news for our small family, that is the anime community. So stick with me and let's begin the first episode of Anime This Week. So this week, my hero has been doing my hero things, and we actually got a fight in To Your Eternity, and that last scene was cute and creepy at the same time. And after that awesome first episode, To Your Eternity has been continuously building up its world and characters, and I hope it keeps getting better. Also, Higehiro continues to break all the dams of wholesomeness, and this week it gave us the greatest reveal of all time.
少女だけど
We got some glimpses of what's to come, and I think bitch crying time is coming closer and closer with every episode that we are getting. Now Odd Taxi. I think this show is being slept on heavily. This show is like if Quentin Tarantino made an anime with the staff from Beastars. It radiates Tarantino and Pulp Fiction vibes, and it is so much different from anything that is airing this season. And the latest episode, the Gacha Hell, it made me feel for a character that I had never seen before. The writing in this episode and the monologue by Saito Soma made it the best episode of this series so far. And also, if you have not watched Odd Taxi, I highly recommend you to do so. It definitely is the hidden gem of this season. And as for the long-running shonen this week, One Piece continues with its Wano arc, and Boruto. Who the fuck watches Boruto? And talking about One Piece chapter 1011 released this week, and it was a decent chapter. Some new things happened, and finally Luffy vs Kaido 1v1 is about to start. Big Mom has changed her mind again, and she has got a new homie, and Hawkins is shown fighting on screen. The next chapter will be released on 9th May, so looking forward to that. Also, My Hero Academia chapter 310 is out right now, and now things are getting exciting. I can't spoil it, so if you haven't caught up to it, you should do it, because things are bound to move more quickly from here on out. Now for the final segment of today's Anime This Week, we have some interesting news and new anime announcements. First, the creator of My Hero Academia, Hirokoshi, gave an interview where he talked about the ending of the show. Answering a question from the interviewer, he said that he already has the ending in his mind, and it has been the same since the beginning. This news is really great because you would be knowing that the ending of the second movie was actually an idea for the series finale, and it was good, which means the series ending is going to be epic, and I am personally looking forward to it. Chainsaw Man. Its creator gave an interview discussing the upcoming anime adaptation. He said that the show was in good hands and that he is feeling good about it. And seriously, the manga was really great, and if the adaptation lives up to it, I am all up for it. And talking about upcoming shows, Resident Evil Infinite Darkness is coming in July, so if you are a Resident Evil fan, here's some good news for you. And also Resident Evil 8 is releasing this May. This is not an anime news, but if it's got tits, it's got to be here. And for the final news of this week, Kyoto Ani is back and they are going to release the final movie in the Free franchise, Free The Final Stroke. It will be a two-part movie with the first part releasing on 17th September this year and the second part in April 2022. I'm glad that KyoAni is back. I'm a huge fan of their work, and they are also releasing a show next season, and it is looking good. On that note, that's it for this week from me. If I missed some news or some great show airing this season, let me know down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get the latest anime news and reactions from me. This is Animewala signing off. I'll see you next week. Until then, do whatever the fuck you want, but stay safe. Peace.